Dear students, in the last episode, that is V46, we discussed the exercise 13.3, question number 7. That means we can find out the radius of that one. That is question number 7. Find the radius of. Then also there is a part to find the slant height. The answer is, we know that the arm is equal to what? 36 centimeter. The part of that question. And h is equal to 24 centimeter. That means height, radius and slant height. Form a right angle triangle. Therefore, slant height is the root of h square plus r square. So root of 24 square plus 36 square. This is the root of 24 square is 576 plus 36 square is 1296. This is the root of 1872 is equal to root of 12 into 30. That is 1872. That is equal to 12 into root of 12 into 12 is 12. 12 root 30 centimeter. That is the slant height of that question. Then question number 8. Dear students, the next question is an important question for board exam. Always the last two questions repeat more number of times for board exam. This is an important question with the velocity. Velocity means speed mixed distance by time. Velocity mixed displacement by time. Distance is always a scalar quantity, therefore there is only magnitude, therefore it is speed. And distance is displacement means that going from one to other, therefore there is some direction, therefore it is a vector quantity. Therefore this velocity is equal to displacement by time and the speed is distance by time. Therefore the last two problems based on the speed of water. Then the question is, water in a canal, the length and the width of that canal are given 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter depth. Is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 meters? If the standing water of that irrigation field is 8 centimeter. That is the condition. Okay. Then canal answer is length is equal to 6 meter. Width is equal to 1.5 meter. 1.5 is 3 by 2 meter. 3 by 2 is always. Then we can find out the volume of one of these. We can find out the area, volume, that is length into width into height. But length and width are given, we can find out the height. That means it is the distance traveled by that water. Therefore, speed is equal to 10 km per hour. That is displacement of distance, that is 10 km per hour. That is 10 km per hour. Is equal to, that means all the dimensions are meter, therefore we can convert to kilometer to meter, that is 1000 degrees on kilometer. And hour in minutes means 60 minutes is an hour. Per means denominator. Therefore that is equal to 10 into 1000 by 60 meter per hour is equal to cancels 0 0. Then 1000 by 2 it is 500. 6 by 2 is 3 meter not per hour, it is minutes. Meter per minute. That is this with the speed is distance by meter. Therefore we can convert into minutes. Therefore that is the length. That is the height of that water, length with that is distance traveled by that water. Therefore speed in how many minutes? 30 minutes. Is equal to 500 by 3 into 30. 3 cancels into 5000 meter per minute. Therefore this is the distance. Then volume of water in 30 minutes is equal to length into this one is height, width into height. That is equal to L. What is L? 6 into width 3 by 2 into 5000. Then 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 3 into 3 9. This is 9 into 5. 45. How many zeros? 3 zeros. It is meter cube. That is volume of water. Clear? Then we know that the standing water is 8 centimeter. Therefore, H, that is capital H, is equal to 8 centimeter. What is it? All measures are in meter, therefore centimeter is converted to meter. We can divide it by hundreds. 8 by 100 meter. Then what is volume? Length into width into height. What is area? Length into width. Therefore this is the volume. The standing water is 8 by 100 meter. Therefore L into width into height by height means length into width. That is the area. Therefore area to volume by X is equal to volume is what? 4 5 how many zeros? 3 zeros divided by 8 by 100 is equal to 4500 into 100 by 8. That is equal to 8 5s are 40. Then 8 6 are 48. Then 2 40. Then 50. 8 6 are 48. Then 20. Then 8 2s are 20. 16. Then 4. That is 5 2 zeros. Is meter square. 5 6 2500 meter square. That is the area to irrigate. Therefore, it is converted into hectare. 10,000 meter square is 1 hectare. Therefore, that is equal to 5625000 by 10,000. Is equal to how many digits? 4 digits. 56 4.25 hectare. Hectares. That is the final answer. That means 56.26 hectares be the area to irrigate the water from the canal due to the speed 10 km/h. Clear? That means width of that canal is L, that is 6 meter, and the depth means it is considered as width, that is D is equal to 1.5 meter means 3/2 meter, and the length we can find out the length by the speed of water through the canal. Therefore, speed of water is given by 10 km/h. Kilometer is converted into meter multiplied by 1000, and hour is converted into minute multiplied by 60. Therefore, it is 10 into 1000 by 60. Then that is replaced by 500 by 3. That is what? Meter per minute. Then we know that the time taken to irrigate the area is 30 minutes. Therefore, speed of that water in 30 minutes, that means length of the water in 30 minutes is equal to 500 by 3 into 30. That is 3 cancels. That is 5,000 meter per minute. That means in 1 minute the length of water flow is 500,000 meter. That is the height. Therefore, volume is length into width into height. That is equal to length into width into height is 60 to 3/2 into 5,000. Yes, it is 5,000. That is equal to 45,000 meter cube. That is the volume of water in 30 minutes to irrigate. Then we know that the height of the standing water is 8 centimeter. It is converted to meter. It is 8/100 meter. Therefore, volume means length into width into height. Dividing by any measure, that means height, we get the area. Length into width into height is volume. Dividing by the height cancels, we get length into width, that is the area. Therefore, area of the region to irrigate in 30 minutes is equal to volume by height. That is equal to 45,000 by 8/100. We get what? 56 lakhs, 5 lakhs 62,500. Then that is meter cube. That means 10,000 meter cube is 1 hectare. Therefore, divided by 10,000, we get 56.25 hectares be the area of the region to irrigate using the water of that canal. This is an important question for board. Clear? Yes, this is the last question for our chapter 13, that is surface areas and the volume of surface solids. Then it is also for class 2, any one of class 2 questions will be answered. That will be a question in your future models. Then the last question is, a farmer connects a pipe of diameter 20 centimeter from a canal, 20 centimeter from a canal, into a cylindrical tank with a 10 meter diameter and 2 meter deep. Water flows through the pipe at the rate of 30 km/h. How much time will be the tank filled? That is the question. Therefore, we can find out the time to fill the tank. Therefore, the dimension of that tank will be given. That is answer. Listen, diameter is 10 meter. Therefore, capital R is equal to 10/2 is equal to 5 meter. And the depth of that tank is equal to height of the cylinder. That is cylindrical shape. Therefore, H is equal to 2 meter. equal to, that is identical to pi r square x is equal to pi into r square 25 into x, that is 2, is equal to 55 meters square. We can put to the value of pi r square into pi square or 3.1, that is pi cancel. We can do that is the volume of water in the tank. Then, now that the rate of change of flow through the pipe is 3 km/h. Therefore, speed of water is equal to 3 km/h. That is equal to 120 km into meter multiplied by 1000. Hour into meter divided by 60. That is 3 into 1000 by 60. Cancels. 6 3 cancels. That is 2. Then that is equal to 50 meter per minute. That means length of the water is 1 minute, length of the water flow is 50 minutes. That is length. Clear? Then we know that in diameter of the pipe 20 centimeter. That is diameter centimeter. Therefore, small r is equal to 10 centimeter is equal to 10 by 100 is equal to 0.1 meter. Therefore, volume of water through pipe, that is, this is length, this is length, this is the radius, that is also the cylindrical shape. Therefore, volume of water through pipe is equal to pi r square x is equal to pi into r is 0.1 square into h. H is equal to given that is 50 through the pipe speed of water. 0.1 square means 0.1 into 0.01 into 50 is 0.5. That is equal to 0.55 meter cube. Then volume of water in the tank by volume of water through pipe is the time taken. Therefore, time taken to fill the tank is equal to volume of water in tank by volume through pipe. By through pipe is equal to 55 by 0.55 pi cancels is equal to 50 into 100 10 because 0.5 is converted. That is multiplied by 10 we get to 0.5 that is 1. 5 and 50 cancels 1, that is equal to 100. Therefore, time taken is equal to 100 minutes. is equal to 100 minutes means 60 minutes 1 hour. 1 hour 40 minutes. That means in 1 hour 40 minutes the tank will be filled with water. Clear? That means the answer is this one. Diameter of that tank is 10 meter, therefore radius is equal to 5 meter. And the height of the tank, that is depth, that is equal to 2 meter. Therefore we know that the volume of the tank, that means volume of the water in the tank, is equal to, that is cylindrical shape, it is pi r square h is equal to pi into pi square into 2, that is pi square is 25 into 50, therefore that is 55 meter cube. Then we know that the speed means distance by time. Therefore multiplying by time we get distance. Therefore speed is 3 km per hour. Kilometer we convert to meter, multiplying by 1000 and hour convert to minute by multiplying by 60. Therefore multiplying by 1000 and divided by 60. That is equal to 3 into 1000 by 60 meter per minute is equal to 50 meter per minute. That means it is the length of water through the pipe in 1 minute. Therefore, cylindrical pipe is also in the cylindrical shape. Water flowing through the pipe is also in the cylindrical form. Therefore, volume of water through the pipe is equal to what? And the radius of that diameter of that pipe is 20 centimeter. Therefore, radius is 10 centimeter. Convert centimeter meter divided by 100, we get it to 1 meter. Therefore, cylindrical pipe is also in cylindrical shape. Therefore, water through the pipe is also in cylindrical shape. Therefore, we know that volume of water through pipe in 1 minute is equal to pi r square h is equal to pi into 0.1 square into h. That is what? That is 50 minutes. 50 meter per minute. 50. That is 0.1 square is 0.1 into 0.1. That is 0.01 into 50 is 0.1. That is 0.5 pi meter cube be the water. That means this water fill the tank with a time. Therefore, to find out the time taken to fill the tank means volume of water in the tank by volume of water through pipe in 1 minute. That means volume of tank by volume of water through the pipe in 1 minute is equal to 50 pi by 0.5 pi cancels, and 0.5 converted into number, therefore multiplying by 10, therefore multiplying numerator by 10, therefore 50 into 10 by 5, 50 to 10 is 500 by 5 is equal to 100. Therefore, the time taken to fill the tank is 100 minutes. That means 60 minutes is 1 hour and 40 minutes. Therefore, the time taken to fill the tank is 1 hour and 40 minutes. That is the last question. Therefore, listen dear students, this is an important chapter for you in board exam. All the questions are very type questions. We know that there are several definitions or formula for finding out the area and the volume of different one. That will be not of your this chapter. That means first episode of this unit is always your note. All the students listen the episodes and write your notebook all the notes. That means all the theory part of each chapters and also the problems in the exercise. After that you study well. Therefore, this chapter is always closed. Then only 3 chapters will remaining for your examination. They are construction, that is one chapter. Statistics, that is mean, median, mode. and probably there are 3 chapters will exist for your examination. Therefore, this is the 13th chapter. Then the next chapter, that is statistics, will be in the next episode. Okay.